Hello respectable audience, this is very amazing math challenge for you. Most people just take a look and calculate the answer is 40. But remember that 40 is incorrect. How they will get 40? Because 2 minus 5, 2 minus 7, they will get minus 5. And 2 minus 10, they will get minus 8. So after multiplying these two numbers, they will get 40. But I have mentioned that 40 is incorrect. If 40 is incorrect, then what will be the correct solution for this PEMDAS based activity? PEMDAS is the order of operation. Parenthesis mean bracket, exponent mean power, multiplication, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. Follow this order to get this question correctly. Parenthesis is our first step. Here you are looking parenthesis. So 2 will be as it is, minus 7 as it is. What is here? Here is dot, dot mean multiplication, and we will get minus 8 when we solve parenthesis. Now we have two options, subtraction and multiplication. Subtraction is between 2 and 7. Multiplication is between 7 and minus 8. So which is preferred and why? According to PEMDAS, now we have to multiply. So here you are looking multiplication. 2 will be as it is, minus multiplied by minus we will get plus, 7 multiplied by 8 we will get 56. So our final step is here addition, because we don't have subtraction. Okay, so addition, 2 plus 56 we will get 58, which is our answer for this PEMDAS based activity. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.